Hi, I'm honest. I'm a incoming junior at Wilcox High, and for my project, I did the Raspberry Pi game emulator. So for my first milestone, it was just basically building this setup and playtesting a few games. So this is just a demo. So I'm playing Pokemon Fire Red on the Game Boy Advance. There's also you could download up to like 2,000 games I think on several different platforms like such as the Nintendo 64. So like yeah, it's just basically like playing on any of these consoles, but you could do this all on the Raspberry Pi. So the Raspberry Pi is basically a microprocessor, which basically means it's a computer, which can you just hook it up to your monitor and you could do several things. And one of the most common is building this gaming setup. Um, and this is different from the Arduino, which is just a controller which is considerably less powerful because it can only perform about like one task at a time. Another difference between the two is that the Raspberry Pi can establish a Wi-Fi connection, which allows me to download games and drag and drop the game files that are called ROMs, which stands for read-only memories, from my computer to the Raspberry Pi. So one struggle I had while doing this was figuring out how to save the games, because every time I turned off the Raspberry Pi, all my progress was lost, which was really frustrating. So I ended up figuring out that you have to save the game like in each specific game, so like saving it there, in addition to saving it with the built-in save system for this setup. So once I figured this out, I was able to like save my progress. So what I want to do for my second milestone is program my own game, and I'm starting to learn this module called Pygame for Python, which I could then put on the Raspberry Pi and then be able to play games from there. Yeah, so thank you.